Dad.
What are you doing here?
This is my father's house and I have every right to be here.
I stopped being your father the day you walked out of this house unannounced. You know what? You better leave.
I knew it. I knew this would be useless and pointless.
What did you say? What did you say?
She hates me, doesn't she?
Who?
Mom, I wake up every morning knowing fully well that I have a sister. A sister I've never set my eyes on. Maybe I might have met her by the street, but not knowing well that she's my sister.
Desmond, I have told you times without number that your sister does not hate you.
Then where did she live barely 2 weeks I was born? Yes, I don't understand this. Where did she live to and when is she coming back?
So which of these questions do you want me to give you an answer?
Mom, when is she coming back?
I don't know, but I'm sure she will surely come back one day.
Are you sure she's alive?
What do you mean by that? My daughter is very much alive and will definitely come back. Now eat your food. Wash your hand. There's water.
Mom, was Angela in the choir when she was here?
Yes. How did you know? And who told you?
Just curious. I came across some of her song notes.
My daughter was a great singer. Each time she leads song in the church, the whole church will be vibrating. And you can practically feel the presence of the Holy Spirit.
Wow. And she gave up all that? Wait, does she still sing?
Well, she used to tell people that singing was part of her life. That singing was her life. I don't know, but I'm sure she still sings.
I wish she was here so she could sing for me.
Oh, don't worry. She will soon be back, okay? Now eat your food.
But Mom...
Desmond, that's enough for today. Please, eat this food before it gets cold. Now eat. Good boy. Now, take the soup. Your favorite, you know?
Yes.
Yes, eat.
Delicious. But Mom, one more question.
Desmond, take one meat. Take one meat.
Okay. I will joyfully do that.
Yes, the big one, yeah. All of it in your mouth. Yeah. That's my boy. Ask and you shall receive. Seek and you shall find. Knock and the door will be opened to you. For everyone that asketh, receiveth. And anyone that seeks shall find. And the door shall be opened to those who knock. Oh, dear Lord, according to your word, I am asking that you bring my daughter back home. Oh Lord, bring her back in one piece. This is my utmost desire. Lord, bring Angela back home. This I ask, knowing fully well that I will receive from you through Christ our Lord. Amen and amen. Thank you, Jesus.
Angela. Angela.
Louis.
Angela. Angela, where have you been and what are you doing here?
So that is it. My stay in the house reminds me of my past. So I just had to run away. Go to a place I could put myself together. I mean, put my life together. And even reason what to do with it.
Angela, I understand all you've just said. But I believe that 8 years is more than enough time for you to have put your thoughts together, right?
I wish.
Angela, you have to go back home. Yes, you have to. Everyone is looking for you. You can't do this to people. Look, Angela, I thank God for the business that brought me to the States. I haven't achieved that yet. But something in me tells me that you're the reason God brought me here. I'm telling you. You have to go back home. If this is all I achieve, I will be very glad. Please. Are you promising me that you'll go back home? Angela.
Mama.
Desmond, you and this picture all the time. Anyway, I want to go for the Christian women meeting in church.
Okay.
Will you be going out today?
Yes, I will be going out to a friend's place, but that will be later.
going to a friend's place, Desmond. Anyway, make sure you lock the door when you're going out. And remember to come back on time.
Yeah,
You need to prepare dinner this evening, okay?
I will, Mama.
Alright. Take care of yourself.
God, please bring back my sister wherever she is. I'm really missing her.
Anybody home?
I've missed you. Where did you go to? Where did you live? I'm sorry for pushing on this, Sister Angela, but I still want to know why you left. Was it because of me?
Desmond.
You were expecting Mom to give birth to a female child and got disappointed she gave birth to me, right?
No! Why would you even say that?
You regretted being part of this family, right?
No!
Was it because of Dad's death?
Desmond, no!
Then what on earth could have made you leave?
Desmond, the most important thing is that I am here now. And I'm here to stay. I'm never leaving you again.
I don't trust you. How would I trust you? You left when I can always leave again.
Come on, Desmond. Take my word for it. I am never, ever, ever going to leave you again. Okay?
Okay, Aunt.
It's a promise.
Okay.
God.
I heard Dad died a mysterious death. Can you tell me what killed him? Yes, because I really want to know what killed him.
Who told you that?
Yes, of course, Mom. Look at me. Tell me.
Okay. I'll share it. That's yours. There we go. Pa, pa, pa. Good. So,
Yeah.
play.
No, you play.
Oh my god. I shared it. Who you're supposed to play?
Okay, fine.
Good. Hold on. Hold on. Continue. Last card.
No! Oh, stop.
Last card. I told you I was going to
Easy
win.
peasy. Hold on, and continue.
No, you cheated. You cheated.
Yeah,
You did.
No.
You did.
Okay, look.
You did. You did. No.
Today is the day I've always prayed and hoped for. Albeit, I don't even know if I should be excited or feel indifferent.
Yes, everything about today is about joy and happiness. Yes, I'm so happy that our family is together again. What do you think, Auntie?
I am just as happy as you are.
Really? Sorry.
Thank you. Please get me water to drink.
Okay, I'm coming. Remember.
Do you think sending him away it will not stop me from asking the pertinent question? My dear daughter, I need you to talk to me. What are your plans? Now that you're back, are you planning on staying or you still want to live the way you did before?
Mom!
Do you want to tell him the truth or you still want to keep him in the dark?
Why are you so bent on spoiling this mood? Why? Mom, please, please. I just want to clear my head, please.
People spend few days or even few months to clear their heads. But you, Angela, it took you 8 whole years. And yet, you've not cleared this same head.
Mom, please. Please. If you would excuse me.
I'm still talking to you.
Yes, who is it?
It's me.
That's not... Come in.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So, I hope I'm safe. This one you came to my room.
No, nothing.
Nothing.
Yes.
Okay.
But there is something I want to ask you.
You see? I said it. You cannot come to my room not with the intention of asking me questions. So, shoot. I'm all ears.
Okay. Mom told me that you were a very great singer. Yes, and I know that you were in the choir. So I'm just asking if you still sing. Because since you came back, I haven't heard you sing.
Desmond. Things changed. And nothing can ever be the same again.
So what are you saying?
All I'm saying is everything will be alright. Yes. So, hey, just go to your room. I'll come and see you.
No, I want to play.
No further questions. Please, go to your room. I'll come and see you, alright?
Okay.
Are you leaving without giving me a hug?
I love hugs. You! I'll always give you big. Thank you.
Alright.
Okay, bye.
I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Oh, Mom! Mom!
And why did you have to discharge him like that?
Mom, please don't even start. Because this is not the right time.
And when is the right time, Angela? Tell me, when is the right time? Is it until I am dead and gone? You left this house, and for 8 good years, you refused to return. I've been keeping this truth to myself because I was waiting for you to come back and do the needful. And now that you're here, you have to do it yourself.
Mom, this is so hard for me. It is not easy for me at all.
It is not easy for me either. But you have to do it yourself.
Just give me more time. Just a little time.
There is no time. We don't have all the time, Angela. Open your mouth and speak out!
Mom! I have heard you. Just give me time, please.
Angela. Angela! Angela!
Oh. Privacy. Please. Privacy. Privacy.
The journey of life is so hard for me.
I believe you will stay that long. We all tried our best looking for you. Who would have believed you could live without pre-notice?
My dear, you will not understand. I mean, the shame, the trauma. I couldn't just handle it. I had to leave.
But at least, you shouldn't have stayed that long. Everyone thought you were dead. Except your mom. She kept all hopes alive.
You don't understand. You don't even seem to understand what I went through. See, it wasn't so easy for me to just walk away. But the shock, the trauma, it was too much for me to handle. I just had to go. But hey, why are we going all about this? I'm here now.
Can I at least follow you down to your house? It's been long I saw your mom and Desmond.
Are you really serious? Are you asking that question? Please, let's go, my friend.
Anyway, let me get my bag.
Please, hurry. I'm sure they'll be so happy to see you. Susan. Hurry!
Yeah.
Go.
Be didn't wait to like.
No, let's go. So tell me, how have you been?
Ah, you don't need to ask that too. You don't want to ask. It's been a long time.
I know it's really been a long time.
Look at you, you're looking good.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Look at you. Married life has been so good to you.
You can see that again.
So tell me, how is married life? How is even your husband? You know I haven't met him before.
Don't worry, you will see him one of these days. My husband is fine.
I can see that the way you look, I know he's fine.
Please.
Susie.
What do we have here? Good afternoon, Mom.
Susie, baby! Come, so you mean you've been around and you didn't even bother to come and check up on us, eh?
Not so, Mom. I've not been in town for quite some time. I just came in with my husband.
Your husband?
Yes, Mom.
You mean you're married?
Yes, Mama, with 2 kids.
Wow! That's wonderful!
Thank you, Mama.
Wow! Congratulations!
Thank you.
Ah!
What about Desmond? I've not seen him since I came in.
Oh, Desmond, I sent him on an errand, but he's supposed to have been back. Anyway, I'm sure he'll soon be back.
Alright, send my greetings to him.
Yeah.
I have to be on my way now.
So soon? Are you leaving because of me?
Actually, Mama, I saw Angela on my way to somewhere and I decided to drop her off.
Oh, really? You've done so well. You've done so well.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, let me just walk her to the car. I'll be right back.
All right. Oh. Hey. Susan is married with 2 kids. God, remember my daughter. God, remember my daughter. Please remember my angel.
Took you, honestly. The whole thing is just bothering me.
Angela,
You're ready.
why are you not dressed yet? Are you not going to church today?
I'm not in the mood, please.
Why?
I'm not feeling too strong.
Angela!
Don't worry, just go. When you get to church, pray for me.
Really?
Yes.
You think I too don't need prayer? You better come and pray for yourself.
Yes, pray for me.
Okay, I will.
Just go, don't worry. When you come back, I'll take you out.
Really?
Yes. I'll buy ice cream for you.
Yes! I can't wait for the church to be over.
I know. Go already.
Mama, good morning.
Susan, my dear, how are you?
I'm fine. Good morning, darling. How are you?
I'm fine.
All right.
Okay, ma. Please pray for me. Oh.
Prayer machine.
Why don't you want to go to church with them?
Because I don't feel like going anywhere.
If you cannot tell me what you are hiding, then you are no more my friend. Because you can't be hiding something from me.
But I'm not hiding anything. I'm not.
Then why invite me this early morning?
It's Desmond. I don't know how to tell him the truth. And my mother is disturbing me.
How long do you intend to hide his true identity from him?
Certain puzzles of life are very difficult to place. Now, help me. How do I handle this obscurity so that it doesn't affect his emotional psychology? How? Honestly, I cannot even find myself owning up and taking responsibility of telling him the truth. I can't.
How long? Angela, how long?
Hey, that's good to see you. Look
Good
at
to see you too.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine.
Look at you. You look so good. Help me. What about movies?
She's inside.
Alright. I got all this for you. I got all this for you. This, I suppose, is going to be your size. Yeah.
Wow! Thank you, Auntie!
You're welcome. Hopefully, let me see. Hopefully, is the shirt your size?
Yes, it should be.
But what? No, it's your size.
Yeah, it's my
Look at
size.
this one.
Yes,
Everything
this
for
very
you.
Thank you! But, Auntie, you shouldn't be doing this.
Why? What? Oh, Mom.
Mama, she bought me clothes. New
Really?
clothes. Yes.
Oh, they are beautiful.
Yes. You don't have to do this. I know you're trying to make up all the times that we have not been together, but it's okay. As far as two of us, we are together again.
I'm here now. I'm
Yes.
here.
And I also want to, yes, but I want you to promise me something.
What?
Promise me that you never, ever leave me again. That we'll be together forever and ever.
Is that all?
Yes.
Come here.
Promise me.
Yeah. I promise I'll never leave you again.
Okay.
Yes.
Now cross your heart.
Yes, I cross my heart. I cross my heart.
Okay then. I love the clothes.
Yeah, then
Brown new. I love them.
take this, go
Yes.
and look at them. I'm sure you like all of them.
Yes. Wow.
Go through them.
Okay.
You love them, right?
Yes, I love them. Now I'm gonna
Take your
wear
auntie's
new
bag.
clothes.
Yes, take your auntie's bag inside, okay?
Okay, I'm coming.
You're going to dress well on Sunday.
Yes. I'm so happy you brought me new clothes.
Yes.
Brand new.
Angela, do you think giving Desmond all these gifts is the right thing to do? Angela, do you think buying gifts for Desmond is the best way to go about this? Look, I am a Christian and a mother in the church. So many people look up to me. I can't continue to live a deceitful life. Never!
So, Mom, what exactly are you saying?
What I'm saying is, for 8 good years, 8 good years I've lived a life of lies and deceit. Of which I am sure that if peradventure I die today, I will not meet with the Lord. I am tired. I can no longer live a deceitful life. You have to tell him the truth. or I'll do that myself and free my conscience.
Mom, you can't do it. You can't do it. All I'm asking is for you to give me a little time. I promise you, I'm going to tell him myself, but I just need little time.
Angela, there's no time. You have to tell him the truth or I'll do that myself.
No, Mom. Please. Just a little time.
You can't send me to hellfire, Angela.
You're not going to hellfire. All I'm asking for is just a little time. This is not easy for me, but I promise I'll tell him myself. Okay? But just be patient with
Promise.
me. It's a promise.
Are you sure?
Mom, have you seen Auntie Angela?
No. She should be in her room.
No, she's not there. And I don't think she's anywhere in this house because I've checked everywhere.
How do you mean she's not anywhere in this house? Angela couldn't have left the house without informing anyone. Have you go and check in the bathroom?
I've checked there. She's not there either. Yet I think she has gone out.
But she can't leave without telling me or anyone.
Okay, I'm coming. Mom, she has gone.
Who is gone?
Angela has gone.
What do you mean?
Mom, Angela has gone. Oh, Mom. You promised me you'd never leave me. No. Why did I just go?
That's not true. Listen to me. Okay? I am here for you.
No! What is that? You promised me you grabbed the eyes! You grabbed her! You grabbed her!
Iju amo, Iju amo, life is so unfair. Why do I have to live this way? Carrying burdens that I cannot lift. I'm trying to escape from my past. I'm just running away from the things I cannot face. Oh, the journey of life is so hard for me. Oh, the journey of life is so hard for me. Someone please wipe the tears away. Someone please take the pain away. Someone please wipe the tears away.
I don't know how to start or what to say. I am not prepared enough to reveal this truth. The same truth that shattered my life.
I'm losing all my strength. I'm just running away from the past I cannot face. Oh, searching for light in the midst of the dark. Oh, searching for light in the midst of the dark. Aye, aye, aye. Someone please wipe the tears away. Aye, aye, aye. Someone please take the pain away. Aye.
Good evening, ma. Good evening.
Good evening, my son. How are you?
I'm very fine. And you?
I'm good.
I suppose this is where Angela stays.
Who are you?
My name is Lois. I'm Angela's friend.
Oh, okay.
Is she around, please?
She's my daughter.
Oh, okay. Can I see her?
Please come. Come with me.
Oh.
My son, that is it. Angela is gone. No one knows where she is or if she's ever going to come back.
This is quite unfortunate. I'm so sorry, ma.
Thank you.
Well, I'll do my best to look for her.
You will? That would be so nice of you, my son. Thank you so very much. But nobody even knows where she is. She just disappeared again.
I know. I don't even know where to start my search. But I'll do my best. Let's just hope I find her.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I hope so too. I hope you find her. Thank you. Please, what can I offer you? Susan, did you see her? See who?
Angela. She has left again. With no information and no traces.
Mom, what's this? Angela? Gone again?
It was all my fault. Yes. I caused it. I didn't do well.
Mom, how can you say that?
I think I was a bit hard on her. I'm sure I must have made the house uncomfortable for her. Susan.
Mama.
Angela is supposed to be your friend. Please. Please, my daughter. Help me to find her.
Don't worry, Mama.
Help me to find my daughter!
It's alright. She will come back. She will come back. Stop crying.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure she will come back. Stop crying.
Will you bring her back?
Yes, Mama. She will come back. Stop crying.
Please help me to bring back my daughter.
Don't worry. She will come back.
you see my daughter?
No, I haven't seen her. What happened?
It's Angela.
What happened now? Now explain to me what happened.
Angela.
What happened? What happened? What? Leave me. Hey. My friend, what happened? Please wake up. What happened? Wake up. Talk to me, please. Where are you going? Hey, somebody help me! Somebody help! Neighbors, help me! Oh! What happened? Please, wake up.
Desmond, it's okay. Stop crying.
What happened?
She slumped. She has been depressed since Angela disappeared.
It's okay. Susan, I'm sorry.
If I take this money now and run away, it won't even be enough. The more days go by, the more my ailment grows, the more complicated my life becomes, the more I find no means of getting money to save my own life. Is this how I am going to die? How do I get 5 million naira to undergo the surgery from this monthly 15,000 naira I get from my salary?
Madam, that's the test result. The cancer have grown beyond surgery. I'm afraid you just have less than 3 months to live.
There is no point running away from home. It's better I go back home, so that when I die, at least there will be a place for them to bury me. It's so obvious I have very short period of time to live. Let me just face it. I'll face it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll send them to your room. Okay, sir.
Doctor, she's been unconscious for 2 days now. Will she make it?
I have to be sincere with you here. She's in a very critical condition now. Yes. We are trying our best to make sure she survives. I think what she needs now is prayer. You have to continue praying for her. Yes. I need to attend to other patients, okay? Let me excuse me.
All you wanted was love. All you needed was my attention. But I have crossed so many oceans in life. That's why I set my mind. I didn't know it would happen this way. I didn't know it'll end this way. I was running away from my past, oh, and I lost myself in it. Mwabebe zingana chukuna fuo. Ebe zingana chukuna so. Ewunewe yodu chiana chuijiji. Ihe nile mire biko wagaranegi. Mwabebe zinana chukuna fuo. Vichaya mirigi none demuno bio. Ihe nile meregi o biko wagara. Biko wagara. Namneki emejogo kiyo.
Desmond, you have to go home and freshen up so that you can change to your new clothes. Don't worry, I will stay with Grandma, okay? Uncle Louis, can you please say thank you?
Come on, let's go.
Thank you, Auntie Susan.
Okay.
What you have to do right now is to go in there, freshen up so that we can go back to the hospital, okay? Everything will be fine, alright? Yeah.
What are you doing here?
Desmond, I know you're hurt. And I am very sorry. See, I promise to explain everything to you.
Explain? Did I just hear you say explain? There's absolutely nothing to explain.
Desmond.
Let me tell you, if anything happens to my mother, if anything happens to our mother.
What? Where's my mother? What happened? Desmond. Louis, what is going on? Where's my mom?
Well, your mother is in the hospital as we speak.
Hospital?
Yes.
What happened? Louis, please, can you take me there?
Sure, I will. Go ahead. Go ahead.
forgive me.
Forgive? No, did I just hear you say forgive? Listen to me. Let me tell you the truth. I will never ever forgive you if anything happens to Mom. Yes! For 8 years you disappeared to God knows where. Yes! And every day Mom prayed for you. For your return. Suddenly you appeared and brought life and hope to the family. Then you disappeared again. Please tell me, is there anything chasing you from this place? Is there anything chasing you from this home? Wait, has Mom done anything to you? Or have I in any way done anything to you?
No, you haven't done anything.
Then why all this?
You will not understand.
I will not understand. Yes, I will not understand and I don't want to understand. The only thing I'm after is Mom's well-being. Yes, and mark my word, not even a scratch on her body, praying nothing happens to her.
I'm caught in a web that I can't escape. I'm so ashamed to tell my story, oh. I'm just fading away. I'm losing all my strength.
Mom, please. Please. Just wake up and talk to me, please.
Mommy, I want to see you look at me.
To do whatever you ask me to do. I promise you. Mom, please.
How is she?
She's okay. Her condition is stable. You have nothing to worry about. Okay? She'll be okay. Alright? Meanwhile, I will ask the nurse to bring some drugs for her.
Okay.
But for now, you got nothing to worry about. Okay? Let's take care.
Angela,
Mom?
I need you to tell him the truth. Tell him everything he needs to know. I don't want to die with the guilt of not unraveling the truth.
Mom, what guilt are you talking about?
Desmond, my son.
Yes, Mom.
I know all these years you've trusted me. You've counted on me. You've always seen me as a virtuous Christian mother.
Yes, Mom. And that will never change. You are and you always be forever a virtuous mom.
My son, the truth is that all these 8 years has been full of lies and deceit about a particular thing you're supposed to know.
What What do you mean?
Angela, please tell him everything he needs to know. I beg you, please.
Sis.
Desmond. There is something you need to know. Something you need to know about your personality.
Honey, please listen to me. Honey, listen to me now. Please.
I have said no, and I'm not mincing words.
Oh no, calm down, honey. Calm down. All your daughter is asking for is money to go to the exam and record office to retrieve and print her results.
And I have said I don't have that money.
Honey. Honey.
Dad, why are you doing this? Why?
Honey, I just don't have money for a disobedient girl. Period. When first okay, Joygwa.
What? Disobedient?
Am I really disobedient?
Oh, no, honey. You are not. I think Daddy is not in his right state of mind, okay? Don't worry, I'll give you the money. Yes, I'll give you the money. It's all right, my angel. Let's go inside. Let's go.
Listen. Listen.
Outside. Stop it.
Stop what? There's nobody here. Even if there's anybody, this whole place will be given to you regardless.
Just wait. You mean this whole place? All mine? Are you serious? Chief, I just want to faint in your arms.
Oh, no. Don't faint here. Let's go in the room. Faint on the bed.
On the bed?
And I know what to resuscitate.
I don't want you to kill me. Do you want to kill me? Stop. It's been long now. We've been doing this. Chief, stop now.
Let's do some more.
Do some more.
I'm still not sure.
But Chief, what about your wife?
We're talking about meat in the pot. You're talking about Pomo to show up. Look, there's nobody else except you. Ain't nobody.
You're just a darling. Honey? Honey?
Let us go.
Honey?
Hey, Dad! I went to the examination record center and I checked my results. Hey! Guess what?
What?
Just guess. I made good grades. Look at it. Look at it.
Good academic performance.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
Bad performance in my presence. It's not acceptable.
Dad, what are you talking about?
You want to go to high institutions so you can mess around with those little boys. I'm not on my nose.
Dad? What exactly is really going on? What is wrong with you? You're supposed to be happy for me that I've passed my exams.
I love you, but you don't love me. And so it has necessitated your gross impudence and disobedience towards me. You are matured, wise enough, and understanding to know what I'm talking about. Cha. Belewa.
And since when has this been going on? Answer me, Obiajolo.
A fig tree that refuses to produce fruit gets cut down.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Take a look at this house. Can you hear the sound of children crying or playing? You've only been able to give me a daughter. And when the time comes, our hand will be given away in marriage. I need a son who will take care of my properties after I am gone.
And is it my fault? Is it my fault that I wasn't able to give birth to a son? Wait, I need to get this straight. Are you trying to say that you're no more comfortable with me?
Answer that to yourself.
I demand to know when all this started.
It started from when I needed a son. And a son I must get!
Obiajoni must answer me. Obiajoni must answer me today.
Hey, What time listen. Etue, get out of my way or
what?
my friend.
What is going on?
Oh, that. Nothing. Your father and I were just trying to sort out some things. Nothing happened.
Sorry. Did you just refer to that as nothing?
It was nothing. Now, tell me. How was your result? Have you seen it? I can't wait to hear the result. Tell me!
Mom, please. Can you stop with the drama? I just saw the confrontation you had with Dad right now and you're here asking me of my result.
There was no confrontation anywhere.
Really?
What you saw is drama, like you said. Is what happens in every normal home. Yes! We're just trying to sort out some things for your good. Yes, for you.
Mom.
Yeah.
So, you refer to this as normal?
Tell me.
No, wait. You refer to this as normal?
Yes. Normal. How did it go? Did you get your results? I knew you made me proud. So, I can't wait to hear your result. Tell me about it. Please, can you stop with this drama?
Yeah. Maybe now you got me.
Just stop.
What you did last night was very good.
Stop.
Look, my knees were shaking like...
I don't like that. We are outside.
Nobody can hear us.
Obi, I would like to ask you a question.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
What are your plans for me?
What's my plan? How do you mean?
I mean, I'm tired of this hide and seek. I am tired. Why your wife gets all the attention?
What are you talking about?
What I'm trying to say is that I am tired of being your bedmate. You have to do something about it.
I'm lost here. I really don't understand what you're saying.
You don't understand.
Mm-hmm.
Do you love me?
You know I do. I mean, is that a question?
You love me?
Yes.
Then make me your wife. Marry me.
What? Evelyn. What are you talking about?
I don't understand you at all. Marry me. Or I'll call off this relationship.
Bamba, you will not do such a thing. I mean, call off this relationship for what? I mean, but you already know the situation right now.
I'm pregnant.
For who?
What do you mean for who?
One.
For you, of course. I'm pregnant too, or I'm going to take my son somewhere else. I'll take it to another person.
Son, what? No. You will do no such thing. Because let us see how we can work this out. You know?
That means you want the...
Hey, Chineke. Are you asking a question?
Hey!
You know what? Look at you. Give me a few minutes to figure out some of these little issues at home.
Okay.
Then we can work it out.
Figure it out very, very fast.
You are going to give me the one who will continue my lineage. Let us go back somewhere and you have your Isiu or your Nkobi.
Isiu,
with a bottle of fresh champagne.
Bim, I don't like stress. Isiu, anything peppery. No.
Okay,
no.
what would you rather have?
I like something light,
like
something
what?
soft, like chicken sauce.
The corner. Chicken. Go get in the vehicle.
Really?
In fact, let me.
Now
come.
you're talking. I love you.
Hey. My
Yes, darling. You know I don't like stress.
Look, that's why you.
You know I'm carrying your son.
That is the heir apparent to the empire.
So you have to.
What are you? Come on.
Okay. Let me just take it easy.
That's right. And let me shut the door. Easy.
I trust you.
Hey, Chineke, I am the father of a son. The father of the son. I am the father of the son.
Honey?
I am getting a second wife.
What? Why? Oh. Please. It is about what happened the other day. I'm sorry. I know I wronged you the other time. Please forgive me.
Listen, you have done nothing, absolutely nothing wrong to me. Truth is, I need a son. A son that will continue the family lineage.
Honey, please, I know this is not you. You're a very good man. Okay? Remember we wedded in the church.
Listen, I am still an African man and I can marry as many women as I want. I don't care about the church's view. Posterity behooves it on me that my house should be filled with male children. You know, good?
Honey, please.
Please.
21 years.
Give me my space.
Together.
Give me space.
21 years of struggling together.
Jump so good. Just go.
Honey, please. It's me, oh.
No,
Robin.
When you will be one.
Please.
See about come.
Oh, we have a beautiful daughter.
Please, just daughter. And of all daughters, a daughter who cannot even listen to her father. Child. Not here.
Please.
Can you just keep your space?
Please.
Stop embarrassing me.
Together, honey, please.
Dad, please, can I see you for a minute?
There's no reason for that. Okay? There's absolutely no reason for you to want to see me.
What is happening to you?
What are you talking about?
Dad, you have changed automatically. I mean, you're no longer the loving husband and a caring father that we used to know. What happened? What happened to you?
I don't know what your mother has been telling you, but nothing.
Oh, come on,
wrong.
Dad. No. Mom has not been telling me anything. And look at me. Do you think I'm still a child? Of course not.
Huh.
I have eyes and I've been seeing everything happening around here. What is it?
Angela, listen. Soon you will be married out. Who will take care of my fleet of businesses and continue the family lineage. In a male child, you will be raising somebody else's family. You need a brother.
Dad, this is not fair.
Come on. Life itself is not fair. Angela, are you going to give me some?
Dad, stop. I honestly do not understand what is happening to my father.
Angela, there's nothing wrong with your father.
You don't understand. Not with what I just saw in there. Do you know, he looks at me like somebody that is making advances towards me and he behaves like someone that is possessed by an evil spirit.
Angela, I'm confused.
You don't have to be confused. With what I just saw in there, Mom, I don't understand. Dad looks at me amorously, you know, with that kind of incestuous seduction, like somebody that just wants to have me.
Will you shut up? Shut up! How dare you? How dare you say such a thing about my husband?
But that is what I just saw inside.
Don't you say that about my husband ever again. I know your father can be perfidious with women, but he is not and can never be a pedophile. Could this be true? Is it possible that my husband's infidelity and perversiveness has degenerated into pedophilia? How can he be lusting after his own daughter? How? Angela sounded so convincing. He cannot be framing this up. God, what am I going to do?
am I going to do? How did I allow this evil creep into my family? I am still complaining about his excesses and unfaithfulness with young girls. And now this. God. Imagine his own daughter. God, what am I going to do? What am I going to do?
Oh. No way.
Beautiful.
Dad.
Oh.
Dad, what are you doing?
What every reasonable father will do to their daughter.
Stop! You're making me very uncomfortable.
Come on, baby. I love you. Let's spend some time with each other.
Dad!
Oh. Oh. And we got married and lived happily forever after. Make yourself comfortable.
Oh my
Look at you. This is your empire.
Of
Anything with that next of kin.
You know.
The heir apparent to my entire dynasty.
Of course.
Make yourself comfortable. This is your house. Yes. Look at you, adorable queen. What?
Baby.
Yes.
My love.
Yes, darling.
Baby,
What is it?
I want to sit here.
No. Why? That is even smaller. It has enough space for you. You can stretch, you lounge.
Excuse you, darling. Excuse you.
Are you
I've
upset?
told you, my love, I don't like stress. My baby, excuse you.
Okay.
I said I want to sit here. I need to stretch. I need to spread just the way she is. Yes.
It will. Get up and let my beautiful new wife sit down.
ASAP, please.
What? Obiajolo.
Are you hard of hearing?
Obiajolo. It's bad enough that you're bringing a strange woman into our home after 21 years of marriage. The worst, that you are asking me to get up from my seat because of this thing?
You just get up and leave.
I don't get this. Baby, really? Me, a strange woman in my husband's house?
Of course you are not.
I am a strange woman in my husband's house. Honey, have you forgotten that I am carrying your child?
You have to be
the heir to this empire. And this old woman just said that I am a stranger in my own house.
You don't have to even...
Really? Fine. I am going to show you that I am the owner of this house.
Of course.
And my son is going to inherit everything. I repeat, absolutely everything in this house, including this chair. So, ASAP, stand up.
Get up and leave.
Up! Or I will show you the stuff I am made of. Stand up right now!
That is the last order. Get up and leave.
Stand up! I don't want to lose this. This woman, they joke with me. Oh.
You're carrying...
This woman, they play with me. Oh. Stand up! Stand up! Stand. She's She's making me to shout. I don't want to shout. I don't just want to shout. She's making me to shout.
I am not surprised. I have always known that you're a lunatic.
What?
Can you just leave for once? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You are not a lunatic. We know who the lunatic
This
is.
woman just called me a lunatic. I'm going to show you how we behave.
No. Remember, you are carrying the heir apparent. You're not a lunatic.
I'm posh.
Yes, you're posh.
Yes, I'm posh.
Eve posh.
Eve, sexy Eve.
Hey,
Posh
Chineke,
Eve.
just relax.
But she just insulted me. I need to show her.
Leave her alone. She's the lunatic.
Oh, she just stressed me.
No, don't stress yourself.
Stressed my
The heir
baby.
apparent is here. The next of king.
Oh, she stressed my baby.
Easy, darling.
I
easy.
can't believe that she made me act this way.
You know where we're just coming from.
Okay,
you know the excitement.
Fine. I need to sit.
Yes, please sit down.
Eve, calm down.
Sit down. Where?
Calm down,
You
just
prefer
sit.
here?
Just sit, okay?
Sit.
All right.
You can lounge.
Okay. All right. Honey, oh, please, can you come behind me?
Why not?
Yes, sit.
I should go there.
Yes, sit. Yes. Thank you, my darling.
Are you comfortable?
Not really.
What do you want to do?
You need to chest out. Yeah.
Okay.
Up. Thank you.
Will that be okay?
Yes. I'll be fine.
Okay.
I'll be fine. Just more. Don't breathe. Don't breathe. Yes.
Okay.
Hang it there. Thank you, my darling.
Okay.
Up. Thank you. I love you, baby.
I think so.
I love you.
Well, I love you too.
Thank you. Make sure you don't breathe. Don't breathe. You're breathing.
I'm not.
You're stressing me.
Honestly, I still can't believe your father married his second wife. And he did strike me like that kind of man.
Dear, everything happened just like a dream. 1 minute, we were a perfect family. The next, I couldn't just understand anything again. Everything changed. And I cannot even tell how it happened.
Yeah. Men are not to be trusted. But don't worry, everything will be fine.
Susan, did you say everything will be fine? No. You have no idea. Everything can never be fine with my family again. See, as we speak, my father has already confirmed the other woman to be pregnant for him. Yes. So, it's already complicated. It can never be the same again.
That woman cannot last forever. Such women of easy virtues will always live his life unexpectedly. And your mother will take back her rightful position.
Are you not tired?
Tired of what?
So you mean you cannot get tired of me?
Me? Get tired of you, baby. You are so sweet.
Aww.
I feel like eating you.
Hey!
Eat it.
Baby, you know what? The stupid old man thinks that I am pregnant for him.
Do you know one thing I like about you?
What, baby?
You are a genius.
Oh, you can say that again.
I'm telling you.
Don't worry, my love. I have everything in control.
I believe you.
It's just a matter of time. We're going to leave this dirty place to somewhere sexy.
A hotter go.
To somewhere romantic. Under an AC. Doing our jiggy. But, my love, there's a problem. Oh.
There's a problem?
Yes. The man's wife and the daughter. It's difficult to do anything in that house when they are still present.
Do not worry about that. It's a simple case.
Really?
Yes.
You mean you have a plan?
I always do have a plan.
I trust you, my
You
baby!
know! Hey!
We are outside.
And so, who cares?
Hi, Snap! What's up, people? It's your girl, Evelyn. How you all doing? Hope you're fine. Okay, I have something to tell you today.
Emeka!
Okay.
Emeka!
You know what?
Oh, please come.
You're so beautiful. Thank you. I know.
Come and start the car so you take me to the market. Yeah.
Amaka, where
Ma?
do you think? Are you crazy? And where do you think you're going to?
I'm taking her to the market.
Oh, really? You're taking her to the... Can you stop there? I'm not finished. I still want to make use of this car. I'm going to the boutique.
I don't understand.
So, what is it you don't understand?
If you look around this compound, you can see that there are a lot of other cars here. So you can choose anyone you want.
Yes, I can choose anyone I want, but I want to make use of this particular car.
Oh, really?
Excuse me, I am not done with you. It seems you didn't hear me clearly when I said I want to make use of my husband's car because I am in my husband's house. Please, I beg you, just go to your own husband's car and use his car. But this one is a no-go area. You're not going to use it.
Oh, really?
Really?
Alright, stop me.
Excuse me, I said you're not making use of my husband's car. Period. Okay! Hey! You want to try me? Be ready! Be ready! Wait! Honey! Honey! Ah! Ah! Honey! Ah! Honey! Ah! Honey! Ah!
Get out.
My baby! Oh, my baby!
Are you okay?
Honey, Peter, honey! Honey, Peter for me! Oh, my! Honey, go and beat her!
Oh.
She just stressed me! She stressed my baby!
Come on.
Oh,
Come.
are you stupid?
What are you doing?
Are you mad?
Did I ask you to?
What
Did I ask you to wear her?
Are you stupid that you're here? You're here! They were beating me!
Leave him alone. Stop stressing.
She
And you,
stressed
get out.
me!
Yeah.
She just stressed me! I can't believe this! Oh.
Are you okay? Inekwa, okay, let me see. We can discuss whatever the issue is. You know? Why are you crying? There is nothing we cannot resolve. Just tell me.
I'm sick of it. I am sick of it. I am tired. I'm tired of the humiliation from your daughter and your wife in this house. I cannot take it anymore.
My wife and my daughter humiliating you? But now, something has to be done. Just take it easy. Enogun. Because baby Nayoka.
Just leave me alone. I just want you to do one thing for me. Send them packing. Ask them to leave this house for me.
I cannot send them packing. They are family too. They are my family. I mean, at least for the sake of my daughter, I cannot send them packing.
I knew it.
You knew what?
I knew it, so you don't love me.
Of course you know I love you. Happy.
You don't love me.
I love you.
If you love me, just send them away. Ask them to leave. I want them to leave. Just send them away.
Okay. Give me some time. I will work this out. But stop crying. Baby, now you okay.
Please leave me alone.
Sweetie. How can a man look at a pretty damsel like you and let you cry?
If you don't do that, I'm going to take my son somewhere else.
Man, now, okay, give me some time. Go. I will fix this out. Our son must leave.
You will fix it.
Yes.
You will fix it.
I will figure this out.
Better ask them to leave. I don't need stress. My baby will die.
I know you are pepperless. Our son must leave. Go. Look at this. Oh, who will let you go like that?
You just want to miss all these things. Look at me. They are stressing me. Just look at me. They are stressing me. Stressing my baby. You have to do something.
I'll be back.
Pack their things. Even the one at the corridor, just pack it. Let them go. They are really stressing me. Even the other bag, pack it. Let them go. Just tell them to leave now, okay? Honey, even the one at the bedroom, the pants, they should go. So, baby. So, how is the food?
It was delicious.
So,
let me tell you one of the things that I like about you. You are complete. You are together. When it comes to bed matins, we day game. And then when we take it to the kitchen aspects, baby, you cook so well.
What is wrong with you? Which one is bed matins? Please stop. I don't like it.
I'm telling you.
I'm glad you enjoyed my food.
I sure did. So tell me, how did it go?
Well, I thought I had convinced him, but the man refused to send his wife and daughter packing. Even when I almost cried my eyes out.
Let me explain something to you. You see, this game that we are playing is not something that you have to rush. It's a step-by-step thing. No jumping. Okay? So you have to be very careful. Okay? Take it easy. Don't push him too hard so he wouldn't start suspecting you. Alright?
I understand what you're saying, but baby, see, we have to act fast. We have to do something because I'm sick and tired of that house. I hate to see that man every day. That man is very, very ugly. I just want to leave that house. I just want to get the money, leave that house. Do you know that man? He has mouth odor. His mouth is not a joke. It's not, and every time he open his mouth, wow! Every time, baby, and the thing will It's so annoying. I'm not. Just stop this thing. I'll be the one to be digesting the whole thing.
Hey.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, I've heard you. But seriously, you need to be careful. Huh? So, you told him you were pregnant, right?
Yes, I told him. That was the reason he married me at first.
So are you really pregnant?
Hell no. Why would you say a thing like that? Even if I'm pregnant, it's yours.
That's my baby talking right there. That's my investment talking. My complete package. What you will do?
What's going on? What's in your mind?
Very soon you will find out. Asam, elelebe jolu.
Angela! Mom, where do you think you're going? Don't you know that this is your father's house? Where do you want to go?
Father's house? No, Mom. This cannot be my father's house because that man in there does not behave like my father.
Oh, my angel. I know you're hurt. And I'm sorry about that. But you see, you don't have to leave.
Sorry, Mom. I have already made up my mind. I have to leave. I no longer feel safe here.
Are you sure?
See, I have already made plans. Okay? I'm going to be staying with Susan for the meantime, so you don't have to worry about me. I'll be fine. You know what? Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything you've done for me. Let me just go.
Okay, hold on. Just a minute.
Not again, Mom.
Wow. I can see you've already made up your mind. So there's nothing I say here that can make you change your mind. But I want you to remember one thing always. I love you, and I will always do.
I love you too, Mom.
Bring your hand. Take this. Take care of yourself.
Mom, thank you. Thank you so much.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Don't worry, I have to get going now. Okay? I'll call you. Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you. You need to take good care of yourself and be careful, okay? Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Let me go. Thank you. Come here. Thank you. Okay.
Nwunye di m si na m ga-anwụ o, agaghị m anwụ, aga m adị ndụ wee kpere Chukwu. Hey! Nwunye di m si na agwa m adị mma, agwa m adị mma, nwa nwa gị nwoke nwa nke ya ka mma. Ndị nne di, ọtaba nwaanyị na-akụziri m ife, onye amamife ndị nne di m. Hey! Agaghị m anwụ na aga m adị ndụ wee kpere Chukwu. Ndala. Everywhere. Ewo, obedim kanma.
What nonsense! How dare you? Why did you have to change from my favorite channel without my permission? Oh, I'm sure you're happy now. You're happy with the way everything has been turned upside down in this family. This family used to be the best thing that happened to me. We were living in peace, happiness, and joy. Until you stupidly came with your bad luck.
Old woman, what is your problem? Auntie, what is your problem? What is it? Is it my fault that your husband loves me? Or is it my fault that I am fruitfully married in this house? Is it my fault that I am the one carrying the heir, the next of kin of this empire? Tell me,
How is it my fault?
Husband indeed.
I am not your problem, oh. Better go and look for your problem, madam. Leave me alone. Huh?
Husband indeed. You should be ashamed of yourself. As young as you are, at this your prime, instead of thinking of something meaningful to do with your precious life, you are here involving yourself with a man twice your age. Not only twice your age, but married with a child. Aren't you shameless?
Auntie, I know your problem. Your problem is jealousy. Yes! You are jealous of me. You are jealous because my husband loves me more than you. So I can get it. It is not my fault. I am the one carrying his baby boy. That's why you're jealous. My husband loves me more than you. Jizoni izubwani ike, Auntie Zoni ike nunu resti. Don't let me to say another.
You are such a shameless prostitute.
Excuse me? You called me what? Me? Hey!
You are a whore.
Hey! You must kill me today. Me, a whore. Me! Madam, you must kill me today. You must kill me today.
Take your filthy hands off me.
I will not. Kill me. Woman. Kill me so you can rest.
Take your hands off me.
I will not do that. You will not.
Nonsense.
Hey!
You think I am your mate?
Hey!
Nonsense.
Hey! Old man, you just pushed me. You pushed me. The real woman of this house, you pushed the real woman of this house. I am going to tell for you. I will tell for you. Evelyn, you have to act first. What am I going to do? What will I do? She just pushed me. She touched me. Think, Eve. Yes. Something.
Sorry.
Honey.
Doctor. How is she doing?
She's fine. Just that she lost the baby. She had a miscarriage.
God, what is happening to me? What is happening?
Sir, please take it easy for her sake.
Take it easy.
She needs all the care and attention that she can get right now.
You witch! You see what you have caused? Makachukun, I will rip you in shreds.
I'll have to take my leave now. Please ensure to take things easy. And you, madam,
Sir.
I will send a prescription to you. Ensure to take them the way I told you.
Okay, sure.
Alright, sir.
Thank you very much, doctor. Okay. Thank you again, doctor. You're welcome. Relax. You. Out now!
What did I do?
Out!
Hey!
Get out of here!
I didn't do anything! Get
out of here!
Get out!
I'm moving. Come on, get out!
Get out! Go! Just go!
I'm coming. Let me make sure.
Honey, please! Some of our things are in the bathroom! Get out! Out! Idiot! Out! Out! Just go! Go!
Enough is enough! Come on, get out. Emeka!
Honey, please. Honey, it's me now. Honey, please.
You.
Honey, please.
Onion.
Honey, please. Honey,
Emeka!
please.
Where is this bomb from? Get out of my face. Just get your stuff out. I'm tired. You want to kill my son, the heir apparent to my empire. Stop! I am no longer your honey. Those days are gone. Emeka!
Is your head well? Please.
Emeka! Where are you?
After 21 years of loving my husband, is this my reward? God help me. God help me. You're the only one that can vindicate me. You're the only one that can vindicate me, oh God. God help me.
This is not the end of life for you. You have to move on.
Kechi, I've lost everything. I just lost my husband, my family. Now tell me, what do I have to live for? What? Obiajulo, what did I ever do to you? You have to treat me like a trash just because of a strange woman. After 21 years of our marriage, after 21 years, I just lost it all.
You have lost nothing. At least you have your daughter with you. She should be your #1 priority for now. Please. You have to take heart.
Sometimes I wonder why Dad did what he did. I wonder how he just threw you out of the house you both built together.
I'm surprised.
How was it even possible that that woman was able to brainwash him into doing what he did? How? But Mom, you know I blame you because I was telling you she's evil, but no, you wouldn't believe me. You wouldn't.
I never doubted you, my daughter. I never did. Just that my husband just changed. Changed all of a sudden.
It's okay, please.
You said it, but I never knew it will come like this.
It's okay, God is in control. Please, don't worry.
Auntie, wait. Did you say God is in control? Oh no, God is not in control. Because if he were to be in control, he will not allow this to happen.
Angela!
No, Mommy, no! He wouldn't. I'm very sure God is not even seeing us. He's not even seeing what is happening to us.
Angela, stop it! Stop it! Don't blaspheme. No matter what.
Thank you.
This is just a test of faith.
Of course.
Yes. And besides, my friend Nkechi has accepted that I stay with her until I'm able to get an apartment. Yes.
She did?
Yes.
Oh. Auntie, thank you so much. Thank you. May God bless you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. At least we are friends.
I know. You have actually shown what a good friend should be.
I know she will do same for me.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bless you. Bless you. Thank you.
My beautiful baby.
Baby,
Yes, darling.
do you know that you will make a wonderful actress?
See who is talking. You, the main actor, is talking. Do you know I almost thought you're the real doctor? You acted it so well. You will not kill me.
I know, right? I know. So tell me, I hope you didn't have any difficulty with the whole, you know what I mean?
Trust your girl. Everything was in place.
What is it?
I'm finished.
What? Chineke, what is it? Are you okay?
I'm not okay.
What is this?
My leg.
Is this blood?
Yes.
Eh?
Your witch.
Who?
Witch. Your wife did this to me.
Etuwe.
Yes.
Let's go to the hospital.
I think this is my baby. My baby's coming out.
No,
My
please.
baby's coming
Let's
out.
go. Let's go to the hospital. Come. Let's go to the hospital. I will kill her. Let's go.
You need to kill her.
I will kill her.
You need to kill
Let's
that
just
woman.
go to the hospital.
She's
first.
leaving this house.
We cannot lose the heir apparent.
No, I can't move. Call my doctor. Call my doctor.
Call your doctor.
Yes.
Who's your doctor?
My doctor. Call my doctor.
Who is your doctor?
Hey! Someone,
Namina.
my baby.
Namina.
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 This is what I call genius.
Why won't I be perfect in my art when I have someone that is smart, someone that has his craft planned on the table already?
I know, right?
You know? Just
See,
that.
Let me tell you something. In life,
Yes,
you need to always be one step ahead.
of course.
If you do not plan, you plan to fail.
I got
want
your
to go?
point. I got your
You get the
point.
point
My
now.
baby.
You get the
My
point
Ooh. Ah, this is very hot.
And I'm hotter than fire.
This is hot.
And I'm hotter than fire.
Baby, you know the repercussion
Mwah.
after taking
I'm
this.
equal to the task.
Yeah, you
The hotter
know.
go.
You know. You know. You know. Just again.
My friend, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
This house is so beautiful. Once again, congratulations to you.
Thank you, my good friend. And I also want to use this opportunity to appreciate you for at least letting my daughter and I move into your place and stayed until we were able to get this apartment. Thank you so much, my good friend.
What a friend.
You are indeed a friend, a good one.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
Hey, you're welcome, my baby.
Thank you.
At least this change of environment will enable my daughter to forget some things and move on with her life. Of course, you're welcome. Thank you. I'm happy that you got that. Thank you. Excuse my manners.
What can we offer you?
I am not a stranger. You.
Don't say that. You have to take something.
Okay, a glass of water will do.
Sure. Are you sure?
Of course.
Just water.
Water? I'm okay.
My angel, please go and get her water.
All right, Mom. I'll be right back.
All right. This your daughter is so beautiful.
You can say that again. She's everything I need in a child. She's my encourager.
She supports me so much. I don't know what I would have done without Angela.
It is God.
She's indeed a great blessing.
It's God, my dear.
I thank God for her.
I'm so happy now that you both are happy.
Thank you so much, my dear friend.
You're welcome.
I can't thank you enough.
What
you
a
have
friend.
done so well. You covered my shame.
It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Keep
You're
baby.
welcome.
Keep baby.
You're
My
welcome.
best
You're
friend.
welcome.
Yes.
School will be reopening in a few months' time and nothing has been said about my school ever since all this trouble started.
My daughter. You see, no matter what your dad did, he is still your father. I'll suggest you go and talk to him about it.
Mom? How? It's so obvious he doesn't even care about us. All he cares about now is that his new wife. How am I even sure he will listen to me?
You will never know unless you give it a try.
But you know that is not possible. Okay, let me ask you. Ever since we left the house, has he even bothered to know where we are? You see? No. He doesn't even care about us. And that is the same man you want me to go and meet? Mom, please. You already know the answer. He will not listen to me.
My dear daughter, you see, like I said before, he is still your father. Come and sit down. Come now, come, my daughter, come. This your beautiful face is not good for frowning. You see, what I'm trying to say is, no matter what he did to us, he is still your father. Irrespective of the fact that he seems not to realize that. You will have to go and tell him about your university education. If he does something about it, listen to me now. If he does something about it, fine. If he does not, then come back. God will always make a way for us. Yes. It's all right. Just go.
Hello. How may I help you? Hello. I'm here to see your madam.
Which of my madam?
How many madams do you have in this house?
You mean Evelyn?
Yes. Is she in?
She's in.
Okay. I have an appointment with her. I'm her doctor.
You may go in, she's inside.
Okay.
Hello? Hello, Oga? Yes, that guy I told you about is here now. As we speak, he's inside with Madam. Okay, I'll do just that, no problem, sir.
Oh, shit.
Stop! Just stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Please! Please just stop! Please! I beg you, just stop it!
Dad.
What are you doing here?
This is my father's house and I have every right to be here.
I stopped being your father the day you walked out of this house unannounced. You know what? You better leave before I do something I will regret.
I have come to tell you about my university education. I'm sure you're aware before we left that I had already gained admission into school. And now the session is almost starting in 2 months. So I'm here for my school fees.
How is that any of my business? Huh?
For God's sakes, you're my father and I am your sole responsibility.
Stupid. You, your mother, are idiots. And because you need money for school, I'm your father. Come on, get out of here before something happens.
But you didn't even care about us. You didn't. Let me ask you. Since we left this house, have you even bothered to know where we are? Have you? No!
It's none of my business. You and your mother can go to hell for all I care.
I knew it. I knew this would be useless and pointless.
What did you say? What did you say?
you like this? Angela, talk to me. Okay, come. Sit down. Now tell me, what happened to you? Did anyone beat you up? Angela, talk to me. What happened?
I was raped.
What? Raped? How? Where? When? I mean, who raped you? Angela, talk to me. Who raped you?
By that beast that calls himself my father.
What? What? Ha! Ha!
I told you.
You mean Obiajulu, your father, raped you?
I told you I did not want to go. I told you I didn't want to go to meet him for my school fees.
I'm sorry.
But you asked me to go. Mommy, please leave me.
I'm sorry, my child. I'm sorry.
And because I did not want to disobey you, I went and
It's alright.
this is what I got. Mommy, leave me.
Obiajulu. Obiajulu, it will never be well with you. You will surely pay dearly for this. Ha! What kind of a father is this? I'm sorry, my daughter.
I don't want leave me. I told you.
I'm sorry.
I told you I did not want to go. I told you. Just look at me now.
I'm sorry,
Mommy,
my
leave
angel.
Leave me alone.
I'm sorry, please forgive me. Forgive me. Why are you here? Come. How did you even know we stay here?
Nkechi gave me your address.
Nkechi did what?
Yes.
So what do you want? Or have you come to rape my daughter some more?
No. Please, I have come to say I am sorry. Please.
You know what? You're just a beast and a retarded old maniac. That's what you are.
Listen, you can call me whatever names you deem fit. I mean, but I am sorry all the same. I really don't know what came through my mind. I was drunk. And I wasn't thinking right. Please.
You know what? Save your bread and leave me. Leave now! Obiajulu, get out of my compound.
Please.
Get out of my compound.
Please. I am sorry again. Bikon.
Obiajulu, get out of my compound.
Please. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. Please.
You want to see the other side of me, right?
What am I going to do to make this right again?
Obiajulu, get out.
Oh. Angela?
What are you doing here?
What
are you doing here?
I'm sorry. I am very sorry, Angela.
Yes, man. Will you shut?
Angela, take it easy.
Will you shut your mouth?
Stop, please. Please, Angela. Find it in your heart, please. I am sorry.
You are sorry.
Please, I am very sorry. I'm sorry, please.
You are sorry. Mommy. Did you hear him? He said he's sorry.
Shameless man.
Let me ask you. Do you even know the meaning of sorry? Do you? Now just leave. Get out of here before I do something I'll regret. Leave!
Apologize, please. Please.
Oh.
I am indeed very sorry.
I should forgive you, right?
Yes.
Mommy! He said I should forgive him. Just wait. I'm going to show you what forgiveness looks like. Just wait. Wait!
You had better get out of my compound now, Obiajolo.
Help me speak with her.
Obiajolo, leave now. Leave now while you still have your breath.
No! Come back! Come back!
You even have the nerves to come and apologize in my compound. Nonsense.
You should have waited! I only wanted to teach you what forgiveness looks like.
Angela.
Mommy, good morning.
Look at the time you're just waking up. Past 11 already. Eh? Angela, you need to see a doctor.
Yeah?
Yes.
Why? Why do I need to see a doctor?
Because for the past 3 days, you've been waking up late. And you keep complaining about this constant headache. No, it's not normal.
Nothing is wrong with me. I'm fine.
You are not. You have to go and see a doctor. They will run some tests on you. Let's know what we are doing, please.
Nothing is wrong with me. I don't need to see any doctor.
You must go to the hospital and see the doctor. If you don't, I will force you.
Nothing is wrong with me. I'm fine. Nothing is wrong with me.
We shall see.
Unexpected rain has beaten us.
Mom, I am so ashamed of myself. How do I face my peers? God. How do I face people? How? How do I tell them that
did I ever do to you to deserve this level of humiliation? The only offense I know I committed was to give you my heart, to marry you. I love you and missed your infidelity towards me, Obiangelo. Is this how you want to pay me back?
The only man who is supposed to be my father. The only man who is supposed to love and care for me. The only man who is supposed to protect me from evil. Is the same man causing me so much pain?
God. God.
Angela! Angela! Angela!
Angela! For the shame and disgrace you have brought to me, I curse the ground you step your feet on. For the shame that you have brought to me, I declare the earth that you step your feet on shall curse you nothing but pain and shame. Obiangelo, for this thing you have done to me, I declare whatever thing you lay your hands on, it shall never be well with you. As far as you walk on the earth, I declare the earth will walk against you. It shall not be well with you. You will not know peace in your whole life. Obiangelo, it shall never be well with you. And so shall it be.
Take the pain. Would you come, God? Would you come, God? I'm caught in a web that
Emeka. 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 Packet cigar and some sweet.
Sir, cigar with all this money.
Go and get me what I asked you to do.
Sorry.
No, you have to get up. Obiajulu, get up!
Okay.
Emeka, what happened to him?
I don't know. He sent me to go and buy cigarettes, so I came back and I met him like this. I don't know what happened to him. Oga, wake up.
Obiajulu, get up! Obiajulu, get up! Obiajulu! Get up, please, I am here. Please, get to where is your Obiajulu? Get up now. God. No, you can't leave me. You can't just go like that. Obiajulu, get up.
Obiajulu. I warned you, but you will never listen to me. Just imagine how you ended up. Just imagine.
It's okay, my friend. It's okay. Where is the girl now? Where is she?
Which girl? Nobody knows her whereabouts. I mean, I was even surprised to hear that they are no more together. Hey, just imagine. Obiajulu actually lost his life because of a woman. Hey, a strange woman for that matter.
People are very, very wicked. That girl will not go scot-free. She must face the wrath. Nemesis must catch up with her one day. You have to get hold of yourself. I know it's not easy. Please. Hi.
Obiajulu broke my heart. Obiajulu broke my heart. It's quite unfortunate he ended up this way.
It's well. It's okay, please.
This is a practical example of unwanted pregnancy. God, I have always prayed and wished for that day that my hymen will be broken by the man I love. The man who will love me, my husband. But no, that did not happen. The beast I called my father took my virginity, of which it wasn't even my fault. But I cannot question you, because you are the all-knowing God. I don't know if this is my fate. I don't know. But as you can see, I have done everything. For some reasons, it has refused to go. God, you know, if I keep this baby, it's going to cause me so much pain and sorrow. God, please. Just... I'm just going to ask you for one thing. Just one thing, Lord. Just let this baby go. Let it just flush out. Let it flush out. Take this thing from me. Take it away. That's all I'm asking. It's a promise. If you do just this last thing, I'm not going to ask you for anything again. I will not ask you for anything again. Please, Lord, please. Help me, help me. Help me, Lord, help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. I don't want it. I don't want this child. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want. I don't want. I don't want. I don't want. Take it. Take it. I don't want. Take it. Lord, please take away the shame from me, please. Let me not be disgraced, Lord, please. How do I explain it's my father? God, please. I don't want this baby, Lord. I don't want. 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 Why are you so obstinate? Why can't you just flush out already? Must I give birth to you to remind me of the circumstances surrounding your conception? Just flush out, flush out.
Angela! Angela, what do you think you're doing? Eh? What do you think you're doing? Now listen to me. If anything happens to this baby, I will never forgive you. Have this. Let me have it. Angela, you see what you're doing to yourself? Oh my God.
Mom, don't. Just leave this bottle.
Take your hands off.
Mom, leave this bottle. Leave. Mom, I don't want this child. Leave it, leave it.
I will not. Take your hands off.
Having this child will cause me so much pains and sorrow, so just leave it.
So,
Leave.
you want to kill the child? Not under my watch.
I don't want this.
Stop that.
Mom, leave me alone.
Stop that. Take your hands off.
Give me the
I will not.
bottle.
I will not give it
Mom,
to you.
give me the
Leave the bottle. I will not. I will not allow you. Angela, stop. Angela, stop. Stop. Come, Angela, please stop. Stop. No.
I don't want you. I don't want.
Angela, stop this.
I don't want.
Please, Angela, stop. Please, stop. Please.
So, Angela, are you sure of what you're about to do?
If I am not, I wouldn't be here.
Well, I must let you know that aborting this pregnancy at this very stage is risky.
What's involved?
You may lose your life. So you better have a rethink.
What is going on? How is my daughter? She's been in there for a very long time now.
I'm afraid, madam, your daughter cannot deliver normally.
Doctor, what do you mean by that?
Your daughter took some harsh and hard substances, and that has gone a long way, weakening her womb. She can't push.
Doctor, so what do we do?
Madam, the only solution here is surgery. Yes, and we have to do that immediately.
Doctor, please, whatever you can do to save my daughter and her baby, please go ahead and do it. Please, doctor, help me.
It's alright. Okay, I will try my best.
Alright.
We just have to pray.
Okay, I'll pray.
Please, excuse me.
How is my daughter?
Oh, she's fine. The operation was successful, so she had a bouncing baby boy.
Yes! No, thank you. Thank you, Father. Father, thank you. Father, thank you. Thank you because you have done it for me. You have taken away my shame. You have shown me mercy. Father, Lord, I thank you. Please, can I go and see them?
Of course. But she's still sleeping.
I'll just peep.
Okay, just go there.
Thank you. Thank you, nurse. Hey.
Angela! 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 Angela!
Hello, Mom. By the time you will be reading this later, I would have been gone. I can no longer continue to stay because seeing the baby every day reminds me of how terrible and wicked I had been. It reminds me of how I tried to kill him while he was still in the womb and how selfish I had been. I am not worthy to be called his mother. Please take care of him and train him to know you as his mother. I am sorry. I am sorry I have to do this. Bye, Angela.
Angela, why? No.
So you mean you're my mother?
Yes. Yes. I carried you for 9 months. I am your mother. Mom. As for Dad's death, I am responsible.
Emeka? 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 Packet cigar and some sweet.
Cigar with all this money?
Go and get me what I asked you to get. I have lost it all. No more family. My wife, my daughter, they're all gone. Even the Evelyn whom I thought had my heir apparent discovered she is even having an affair. What is all this about? Flesh. Feeding of the flesh. Selfish. Matters nothing. Nothing. One day. Angela, I never thought you would want to see me again.
What kind of a father rape his own daughter and put her in the position of perpetual disgrace?
Listen, I don't want anyone else to have versed this. Come on.
you got me pregnant.
What? No. You are not serious. You are not serious.
Mr. Obiajulu Dekora, I am so going to announce to anybody that cares to listen that you, who is supposed to be my father, got me pregnant. Oh yes, when I say everybody, I mean it. All the women's rights organization will hear this.
Huh?
Yes, I am going to tell the world the kind of beast of a man you are. Obiajulu, I am so going to fight you. I will make sure justice is served. And that same justice will haunt you to your grave.
Angela, no. You will do no such thing.
Really?
Yes.
Watch me.
Come here. Come here. Huh?
You think I can feel that, you little girl, right? You think I can...
Dad.
Dad. Desmond.
Don't touch me!
Desmond, I know you have every reason to hate me right now. I'm begging you, please. Find a place in your heart to forgive me, please. I am not proud of what I did. I'm not. Please forgive me, please. I call you miracle child because that is exactly what you are. After everything I did to abort you, but hey, you still came out. Please, my son, find a place in your heart to forgive me, please. I couldn't face you. That was why I had to run away. Please, forgive me, please. Considering the situation, the conditions surrounding your birth, I was traumatized. Please. Leave me alone! What have I done? God, you know it wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. Desmond! Where did this boy go to now? Desmond! Where is he now? Desmond! Desmond!
Where is Desmond?
He ran off. And I don't know to where.
Go and look for him. You can't allow him to be out there all by himself. He knows what he's up to. Go and bring back my son. Your son. Go now.
You have to forgive. No, I can't forgive. You can't or you won't forgive her. I can't and I won't forgive her. But why? Jesus died on the cross of Calvary for the crime he did not commit. Yet he forgave us. Did you pass through what Jesus passed through? No. I really think you should forgive her. No, I can't forgive her. She tried to kill me when I was in her womb. She left me for 8 years. She left me in the dark. I didn't even know who I really was. And now you're asking me to forgive. No, never! I won't forgive.
My son.
Yes, Mom.
I'm sorry for everything.
Don't worry, it's okay. There is nothing that will make me hate you. It's okay, okay? Where's my mom?
Oh, she has gone to look for you.
Okay, then I'm coming. I'm coming.
What did you just call me?
I called you Mom.
I am really sorry for everything. I'm sorry.
It's fine, I've forgiven you. Yes, so all you need to do now is to make God forgive you and also forgive yourself.
Thank you so much for forgiving me.
This is it.
I don't think God will ever forgive me. Neither will I forgive myself for all the mistakes I've made out of depression.
Mom, don't say that. Yes, if I can forgive you, that means God can forgive you. It's not by my will that I forgave you. Yes, it's because of God. And if He can lay it to my heart that I should forgive you, then He's ready to forgive you too.
Desmond.
Yes, Mom?
It is not that simple.
How? What do you mean?
Desmond, you will never understand.
How? What is it? What do you mean? Don't worry, you can talk to me. Yes. Talk to me.
I have few months to live.
How? What? How?
What am I doing here? Where will I go from here? Oh my God. Everything about my life is upside down. Please, God, send me a helper. I feel so horrible.
What is a beautiful lady like you doing here all alone? I mean, don't you know this place is very dangerous for you to be here alone?
I just want to be left alone. I have a lot of things going on my mind, so please, just leave me alone, please.
By the way, my name is John. Can I be of help? See, you can trust me, okay? Just talk to me. Wow, there we are. Please, welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you.
Please, this way. Please, after you.
Thank you. After you, sir. After you.
Oh, sure. I hope you're enjoying your meal.
I love it. It's really nice. Did you make this yourself?
Oh yes, I did.
Wow.
You know, I'm a good cook.
There are lots of things you do.
Believe me when I say, you see, I am as harmless as a dove.
I see that.
And my sister will come back tomorrow.
Oh. Really?
Yeah, and I'm sure she will like it when she comes back.
Are you sure? Because you know, there's this thing about ladies.
I'm very sure she will like you. Right. You're a special person. You alright? Are you sure you're right?
I'm just feeling a bit sleepy.
I'm sorry about that. Okay, let me just help you out, please. Let me just help you out, please. This way.
What we did is what two adults will do, alright? Are you a virgin? You're not.
John, you took advantage of me. You raped me.
I did not rape you, okay? Rather, I cajoled you to do with me what every other man will do with a beautiful lady, okay?
John, you are wicked and heartless.
Wow, most impressive. You see, based on the story you told me, your father is the wicked and heartless one here for raping you and putting you in mother position, okay?
John. 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 God, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done?
What is happening to me? What am I living for? Am I cursed? Why is it that everything I touch turns to blood? On 2 occasions, I have been responsible for taking people's lives, yet I'm still living. Oh my God. Why not take my life already to end all this? Is there really a God who is watching all the happenings? Or is God what human framed out of myths just to feel less alone?
From the test carried out on you, you have cancer of the lungs.
Doctor. Cancer of the lungs. But how? Okay, doctor. So, how bad is it?
I must be honest with you. You can't manage it. You just have few months to live, even if you are under proper medical support.
Are you saying there is no hope for me?
It can only take a miracle.
So, as you can see, I am dying. I am dying. I am dying. I have cancer of the lungs due to the reckless life of smoking and drinking I was living. So, you can see, God can never forgive me. He will not.
Of course, He will forgive you. He said, even if your sins are black as charcoal, He will whiten it like snow. He said, come unto Him and He will give you rest. Yes. Mom, God loves you. Yes, that he let his only begotten son to die for you on the cross of Calvary. Only what he needs now is for you to believe in him. Have trust in him.
Desmond, it is not that simple. I have done a lot of terrible things. I have killed. I have killed. It's not possible that God will forgive me. It's not possible.
Mom, of course he will. Just have hope in him. Yes, he's willing to accept you with open arms. Just have hope in him.
I didn't know it'll happen this way. I didn't know it'll end this way. I was running away from my past, oh, and I lost myself in it.
Where do you think you're going? To the church? What are you going to do there? To seek the face of God? After all you have done? After all your sins? You still have the guts to come to the presence of the Holy God. And you think He's ever going to listen to you? Don't you know your sins are unpardonable? You are already condemned. Just go away because He will never listen to you.
Why will you leave me now again? Come back to me. You are my strength when I am not strong. My eyes when
I insisted to go to church to see the face of God.
You did?
Yes, I did.
That's thoughtful of you.
Thank you.
I thank God for everything. Desmond, I am very sorry for keeping you in the dark all these years.
Don't worry, it's past. Let's not bring it to the future. Let's just thank God for everything.
My son, I'm always proud of you.
Thank you.
Doctor.
Doctor.
Mommy, how are you feeling now?
I'm much better, doctor. Thank you so much.
Good to hear. Desmond, and you?
I'm fine.
That's good. Desmond, can I see you briefly outside?
Okay.
Yes. Please excuse me.
What is it, doctor?
Listen, Desmond, you have to calm down, okay? I know you've passed through a lot, all right? I brought you here to tell you something.
Okay, I'm calm.
Your sister was involved in an accident.
What?
Yes.
Hope nothing happened to her.
I can't really tell, but she's in a very bad state.
You mean she's presently in this hospital?
Yes, she's in the hospital.
Can I see her?
Of course, you can see her.
Oh my goodness. Thank God you're awake.
My son, I don't think God will ever forgive me.
No, Mom, stop saying that. God will forgive you only if you allow Him to forgive you. Yeah. Yes, don't condemn yourself when he hasn't condemned you. He loves you.
No. It is not that simple.
Don't worry, I love you, Mom.
No, he will not forgive me. He will not.
He will. Stop saying that. Just believe. Yes. Don't judge yourself.
Thank you so much. Honestly, I feel so alive again. After so many years of depression, frustration, emotional breakdown, and above all, Pastor, guilty conscience. I can't believe I am the one here, free from sin and guilt.
That's good news, Angela. You know, the way you are feeling right now is a proof that the Lord has made you whole indeed. Rewriting the doctrines and wisdom of men by not allowing his words over your life fall to the ground. He is faithful.
Yes, he is.
He is the author and finisher of
Yes,
our
Pastor. Yes. Indeed, he is able to do all things.
There is absolutely nothing impossible for the Lord.
Absolutely nothing. Thank you so much, Pastor.
Right.
I have to be on my way now. Thank you so much.
All right.
God bless you.
I'll see you soonest.
Thank you so much, Pastor.
All right.
Thank you.
Careful.
God bless you, Pastor.
Same.
Thank you.
Mommy,
Yes, dear. What?
what's today's date?
Today's date. Today's 22nd December. Why?
Does that ring a bell?
Desmond, what exactly are you driving at?
It's 1 year now, and you're still alive and healthy.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
You're right. It's 1 year already. God did it. He has disappointed the wisdom of men. Mom!
Mom?
Come first. What is she doing?
I don't know. Wow.
Mommy!
So, tell me, what did God do?
Mom, you really want to know?
Yes, I do.
God has done a lot for me.
Wow. Share your testimony.
For the fact that he has brought me back to my lovely family, I am grateful.
Wow.
And to even have Desmond sitting beside me.
Aww.
Wow.
You know how I love hugs. Come here.
Yeah! I'll give you the tightest hug ever.
Someone is jealous.
Cheers to you beginning, right?
Yes. Louis, honestly do not know what I would have done without you. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for all you have done for me. Thank you for being there. Thank you for all the support. And I pray that God will bless you.
You are such a wonderful lady. And I thank God for the reforms in your life, as well as the divine healing.
It can only be God. Look at me. I'm a changed person.
You know, feeling remorseful appears more convincing than repentance. But repentance is much more absolutely honest than feeling remorse.
What exactly are you saying? Because you're going round and round and round. What?
The Spirit of God has healed you from all bitterness. And that's the reason I want to ask for this favor.
What favor?
Permit me to be Desmond's foster father.
Sorry, by that you mean?
Angela, please marry me. All my life, I have searched for a woman like you. Yes, you're weird. But weird is beautiful to me. Weird is honest to me. I don't want to search any further. The resolution of your past experiences has gotten a strong hold on me. And I do not ever want to let that go. Please, marry me.
All you wanted was love. All you needed was my attention. But I have crossed so many oceans in life. That's why I set my mind. I didn't know it'll happen this way. I didn't know it'll end this way. I was running away from my past, oh, and I lost myself in it. Biko Bagara. go kill.